Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials. Today I am going to show you how to make wood texture effect background in Photoshop. Double click on foreground color to pick color. Color is R253, G205, B3. Now use rectangular marquee tool, shortcut M, to draw a horizontal shape. Alt delete. After that go to filter menu and select render and select fibers. Variance 24 and strength 64. You can click on randomize. Again go to filter menu and select liquify. Clockwise tool, shortcut C. You can press over Pucker tool, shortcut S. You can press over bloat tool, shortcut B. You can press over deselect, Ctrl D, create a new layer. Click on set foreground color. Black color. Alt delete. Blending mode, soft light. Duplicate black fill color layer with soft light blending mode. Again, duplicate black fill color layer with soft light blending mode and opacity 33%. Select texture layer and go to effect menu and sharpen and smart sharpen. Amount 98% and radius 0.5 pixel. Finally, your wood texture effect background is now ready. Please follow steps and it is easy way to create wood texture effect background. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.